It's a funny topic, changes in the near future. Depends on who's in charge. 2020 to 2024 was hectic because of COVID. It wasn't necessarily anything, each administration has its own challenges. 2020 to 2024, we saw a lot of increases in immigration court. The practice got busy with immigration court. Judges were told that they needed to have cases done quickly. So Jonathan and I were going to court almost 2-3 times a month, which is not normal for us. Immigration cases as far as asylum were slowing down. We weren't going to our asylum cases as quickly. But there were upticks in the fact that interviews weren't happening for green cards. People were just getting approved for green cards. So one area will pick up, but another area slows down. So in 2016, when President Trump took over, immigration court increased. Everybody was facing, if you had been a criminal or if you had been doing anything, you were put in immigration proceedings. And so Jonathan and I were going to court a lot. Asylum cases slowed down. There was an increase in asylum, but there were no interviews happening. On the other side, USCIS was approving green cards without interviews. So that was really quick. Things were moving, but with COVID, things also slowed down. In 2020, when President Biden took over, immigration court slowed down because they offered prosecutorial discretion. Prosecutorial discretion was letting the ICE officers, the ICE attorneys, just terminate whatever cases they wanted to. So immigration courts were slowing down, but then now you have people without status. So there was really no movement anywhere. USCIS has been notoriously slow. So things are crazy. It's crazy right now. We're busy, but we're busy in a good way, bad way. I don't really, it's difficult. Each administration has its own challenges. In 2024, 2025, when things change, if they change, it'll probably be a more uptick in some area. We're not sure. Like I said, each administration is different. So we'll see, either immigration court's going to increase again, or we'll go back to USCIS increasing, especially if the Biden policy stays in place. Hopefully USCIS will start seeing more activity.